Hello everyone, my name is Dan Pike, STEM Education Director here at the Boys and Girls Club of Truckee Meadows. I'm here with your STEM activity of the day. We're going to be doing some coding today using an awesome website called Hour of Code. This will be a fun program for you to just practice some coding skills. It's going to be easy. We're just going to be following a tutorial. We have two staff that are going to be modeling the activity. All you're going to need for today's activity are computers and access to the internet.
All right, we're going to begin by accessing hourofcode.com. This is an awesome website. It's free, and there's a lot of cool activities that you're allowed to do on here that will teach you how to code. Once you get to the website, we're going to go ahead and access the activities. So you're going to click on this Activities tab. They have activities available for every grade. Today we're going to do the Star Wars activity. Click on it and then you'll click on Start. Alright, and once you're here, we're going to be doing the JavaScript version today. You guys are the older kids, we're going to have a lot of fun today. Alright, once you're on the coding platform, you'll see this awesome intro screen. You can go ahead and play the video, watch how they do the instructions, and we'll get started.
We're going to work with Ray, our Force Awakens, to collect all his
BB-8 is a spherical droid. Everything he does and every movement he makes.
game space where code will run. The instructions for each level are written below the game space.
Alright, and so we're going to begin our first mission, and we'll walk you through this first one, and then you'll be able to follow the tutorial the rest of the way. So once you get past the video, you'll show up on this first intro screen. You'll see that the instructions, like they said, are up on top. This is what we're going to be trying to do in this first mission. Right here is how we're going to do that. So we can go ahead and click OK. We know what they're trying to get us to do. And over here, we know that in order to get the program to run correct, we're going to follow these instructions. We're going to write our code over here in this workspace. We know that we're trying to get BB-8 to the scrap metal. We know that there are two boxes in between. We know that we need to move right twice. So right now it's moving right one time. We're going to add another move block to get it to move right 2 times. And then we're going to click on run. Alright, we're going to let you guys go ahead and try some of the other missions. And our staff are going to be following along, so go ahead and have some fun and see how far you can get.
Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm gonna try typing in code. What I'm gonna do is, well, plan out where I need to go first before I start typing in the code, and then just edit as I go.
Hey guys, I'm Eddie, the art coordinator for Boys and Girls Club of Truckee Meadows, and I'm trying out some code today. I gotta get all these little pieces of scrap metal without getting hit by these dudes right here.
Alright, now we're on our next video. You're going to want to make sure that you watch this one as well. This one is going to show you how to write the code.
Here you can still drag the block from the toolbox, or you can type the command name. As you start to type, you'll see names of possible commands.
Alright, once you have watched the video, you should know how to type in the code. If you want to return back to the easier block function, go ahead and click on this block function up here. But for the rest of us, we can go ahead and try to write out the code as they showed in the video. This one looks like a more complicated puzzle, and so it might be a good idea to count out the spaces and the directions, then writing the code and trying it out. Alright, so we're getting close to the end here. We're on challenge number 14. We've been writing commands to really kind of control the environment of the droid. So in this one, it looks like we're trying to create new commands to change your droid and its speed. And so again, going through here, we know that all the Rebel pilots are already added to this game. We can actually change our background in this one, change our map in this one, So we could actually set the background for any of these other ones. We do know that we want to set the droid's speed for fast, so we could actually make it slow too if we wanted. And we want to change the droid to C-3PO. So this is the droid, we're going to make him into C-3PO. And then when we get the Rebel pilots, let's go ahead and add some points. All right, so now when we run it, we're on Hoth, and we're on super fast speed. Boom. All right, and just like they said, you get a chance now to design your own game. And I would like to encourage you to try to make your own game and go ahead and share it with us in the comments. We're also going to hear from some of our staff what they thought of the lesson today, and let's hear from them.
I thought it was fun. As you went further into it, what I liked is that you're not only like kind of building the code here, right, with whatever this character is doing, but you then have second edition of using the controls. So instead of putting the code in and then he just does the code, you put your code in and then you control what he does, which I really liked, because it makes you think a little bit more about not just the code piece, but then actually having control of the character.
Well, thank you for joining us today. We hope you had fun. Tell us a little bit about your experience coding. Tell us what you liked, what was a challenge, and if you made your own code, go ahead and share that with us as well. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.